Hey guys, it's Tajir. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, we're going to be doing a glam Carebear's makeup look. So I'm really excited because I was like obsessed with Carebears when I was younger. This doesn't really look purple, but it's definitely like a light purple shade. So this is a purple Carebear like that we're going to be doing. Actually, maybe this is blue. The pack that I have doesn't have a purple, but we're going to be doing a purple Carebear makeup look today. So if you guys want to see that, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I already did my eyebrows off camera. I basically just filled them in with a purple, and now we're going to do our eyeshadow. This is the Carebear that we're going to be referencing with like the lollipops and stuff. So I think I'm going to do an eyeshadow and then maybe do like a heart in the eyeshadow or like a lollipop or something. But yeah, first I'm gonna take the CC Beauty palette and I'm gonna mix these two shades to create like a pastel purple. I just created this purple. Now I'm just gonna carve out my brows with this. I'm just gonna set that purple with some loose powder just so when we do the eyeshadow the cream doesn't move around. I'm just gonna take that leftover purple and put it under my eye just so it doesn't get like wasted. Okay, now for eyeshadow we're going to be using the Makeup Revolution Alexis Stone palette, and we're going to be using the purple row. This one. So first we're going to take the BH Cosmetics tapered blending brush, and we're going to take the second purple and we're just going to blend that into the crease. If you have heart stickers, you can go ahead and put that down wherever you want to before you start blending out eyeshadow. I don't have any, so I'm going to create the heart by hand. But if you have a sticker, then it'll be easier, like a small heart sticker. Now I'm going to take the M433 brush. I'm going to take the third and the fourth purple and just put that into the outer corner and also blend it into the crease. I'm going to take a little bit of the black and just put that on the outer corner and on the outer half of the crease. Now I'm going to take this white like face paint and I'm going to cut my crease with that. I'm just going to set that with this pressed powder. And now I'm going to take that Morphe M433 brush and just blend out the outer part of that cut crease with whatever's left over on the brush. Now I'm going to take a small liner brush and I'm going to take that white and I'm going to create a little heart. Cute. Okay, and now I'm just going to do a black liner across the lash line. I'm not going to do a wing liner. I just want a liner there to like conceal my lashes and all that good stuff. So I just did my other eye off camera and now we're going to move on to face. I'm going to take the Athena palette and we're going to take the purple from that palette and just put that all over our face. I actually took the CC Beauty palette and I mixed the two light colors right here to create a lighter purple on my face like I did for under my eyes. So now we're just going to take the Athena palette this time and I'm going to take the purple in that because it's a darker purple and I'm going to contour with that. Now we're going to take a white face paint. We're going to brighten up our face with that. So we're going to put it under our eyes. on our nose, our forehead, our chin, and our cupid's bow. Now I'm gonna set my face with the Ben Nye translucent powder. I'm gonna take a Real Techniques buffing brush and I'm gonna take the third darkest purple from that Makeup Revolution palette. I'm gonna contour with that. Now we're gonna take a makeup wipe because I forgot to like measure this out before, but it's fine. We're just gonna take a makeup wipe and basically wipe away a circle and this is gonna be our nose and mouth part, but we're not doing it like on our mouth, we're just basically doing it over our mouth. And now we're gonna take some white face paint and fill that in. Now we're gonna set that with the Ben Nye pressed powder, the Ben Nye loose powder, the NYX Modern Dreamer palette, and we're going to take the white from that palette and basically just set this. Okay, next we're going to do a heart on our nose. Cute. And then another thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna take this little nail circle daughter thing and we're just gonna create little freckles, just 3. For under eyes we're gonna take a small brush and we're gonna take the third purple from that Makeup Revolution palette and just pop that right under our eyes. This is so cute. Like, I'm obsessed with this. Okay, so now I'm gonna go off camera, put on a lash, and then I'll come back with you guys for the finished look. Okay guys, this is the finished Carebear makeup look. I love it so much. I think it might be my favorite Spooktorial look of this season. I think it's so cute, it's so nostalgic, and I just love it so much. Let me know what you guys think down below. I really like the eyeshadow too, how I put like the little hearts. I feel like that really like just put the finishing touches on it. And yeah, this is the finished look. Let me know what you guys think down below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow me on my other social medias. All that good stuff will be on the screen right here. It'll also be linked down below for your convenience. If you want to watch another season of Spooktorial or the previous episodes in this season, then those will also be linked down below. And I'm kind of sad because I feel like it's coming to an end. Spooktorial season is coming to an end slowly. I still have a few videos for you guys, so I'm happy about that. But yeah, this is it. Also, you can do this look with different colors. It doesn't have to be purple. It can be any color that you want. Also, if your shirt, like, you can put like a circle on your shirt and do, because you know how on their bellies they have different things. This one isn't purple, it's like a light blue, but this is the only one that I have that's close to purple. But they have different stuff on their bellies. Like the one that I use as a reference has like heart lollipops on its belly. So if you go as this costume, maybe like print out something or get a shirt that has that on its belly. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I truly hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.